Lost in translation. Once upon a time, in a picturesque village named Meadowbrook, lived a young woman named Emily. She had always dreamt of exploring the world, but her limited English skills held her back. Determined to change that, she embarked on a journey that would change her life. Emily's adventure began with an old, dusty map she found in her grandmother's attic. It pointed to a hidden language school nestled deep within the mountains. With her backpack filled with books, a dictionary, and a heart full of courage, she set off on a path less traveled. The journey was not easy. Emily faced treacherous trails, unpredictable weather, and moments of self-doubt. But she pressed on, motivated by her desire to conquer the language barrier. Along the way she encountered kind strangers who shared their stories and taught her new words. Through laughter, gestures, and determination, she made her way to the language school. The school was a quaint building, surrounded by lush greenery. Inside, she met people from all over the world, each with their unique reasons for learning English. Under the guidance of wise teachers, Emily's days were filled with lessons, conversations, and a sense of camaraderie she had never experienced before. As weeks turned into months, Emily's progress was remarkable. She could now hold conversations, understand jokes, and read books in English. But her growth wasn't just in language. She had also gained a newfound confidence and a broader perspective on life. One day, as Emily explored the village near the school, she stumbled upon an abandoned library. Inside, she discovered journals written by travelers who had visited the village decades ago. Their stories and struggles resonated with her, and she realized that learning a language was not just about words but about connecting with others and understanding their experiences. With her language skills honed and her heart full of gratitude, Emily returned to Meadowbrook. She shared her stories with her friends and family, inspiring them to step out of their comfort zones. She organized language exchange events in the village, bridging the gap between cultures and fostering friendships that transcended words. And so Emily's journey to learn English became a tale of resilience, growth, and connection. Her determination to overcome obstacles and her willingness to embrace the unfamiliar had not only transformed her life but had also woven a tapestry of unity in her village. Students' motivational journey. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young student named Sarah. Sarah was an average student who faced numerous challenges in her academic journey. She had big dreams and a burning desire to succeed, but her grades were far from impressive. One day, while walking home from school, Sarah met an elderly man named Mr. Jenkins. He was known in the town for his wisdom and kindness. Mr. Jenkins sensed Sarah's frustration and asked her what was bothering her. Sarah poured her heart out, expressing her dreams of becoming a doctor but feeling discouraged by her poor grades. Mr. Jenkins smiled warmly and shared a story from his own youth. He too had struggled with his studies, but he had never given up on his dreams. He told Sarah that success was not about where you start but about how determined you are to reach your destination. Inspired by Mr. Jenkins' words, Sarah decided to change her approach. She started studying harder, seeking help when needed, and staying persistent even when faced with difficulties. She developed a growth mindset, believing that she could improve with effort and dedication. Years passed, and Sarah's efforts began to pay off. Her grades gradually improved, and she eventually earned a scholarship to medical school. It was a long and challenging journey, but Sarah never lost sight of her dream. After years of hard work and dedication, Sarah became a successful doctor, specializing in pediatric care. She realized that it wasn't just about achieving her dreams, it was also about helping others and making a positive impact on the world. Sarah's story became an inspiration to many in her town, proving that with determination, perseverance, and the right mindset, anyone can overcome obstacles and achieve their dreams. Poor student triumphs. Once upon a time, in a quaint village lived a young boy named Rahul. He was a poor student who dreamt of learning English. Despite his family's financial struggles, he was determined to improve his language skills. Rahul would spend hours at the village library, poring over English books and dictionaries. He sought the guidance of a retired teacher, Mrs. Wilson, who recognized his eagerness to learn. She offered to mentor him, and they began meeting regularly to study English. Facing numerous challenges, Rahul remained undeterred. He collected discarded newspapers and magazines, using them to practice reading and understanding English articles. He even started a small garden to sell vegetables and save money for English classes. Word of Rahul's dedication reached the village, inspiring others to support him. The local shopkeeper offered him a part-time job, allowing him to earn while continuing his studies. With his earnings, he enrolled in an English class in the nearby town. However, life had more tests in store. A severe storm destroyed Rahul's garden, and he lost his part-time job due to the shop's closure. Yet, he refused to give up. He began tutoring younger children in his village, offering English lessons in exchange for food and small contributions. Rahul's story spread beyond the village, touching hearts. People from around the region sent books, funds, and even offered him online English lessons. With unwavering determination, Rahul's English skills flourished. He began writing about his journey on a blog, connecting with people worldwide. Eventually, Rahul secured a scholarship to a prestigious university. His story of resilience and determination earned him admiration and support. He graduated with honors, a testament to his hard work and the kindness of those who believed in him. The poor student who started with a dream and a determination to learn English transformed into a successful individual. Rahul became an advocate for education and continued to inspire others with his story of triumph over adversity. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to stay updated and never miss out on new content that will brighten your day.